We're adjacent to the Native American gardens here in the Botanic Gardens. And what I'm looking at here is Prunus ilicifolia, hollyleaf cherry. This is a plant that actually grows in our area. I've seen it out in local hills, out by Lake Paris State Recreational Area. And it's really a beautiful and underutilized landscape plant. As you can see, it has nice, fresh-looking, dark, glossy green leaves. In the springtime, it will get little bunches of creamy white flowers, and as those flowers are pollinated, you will get some cherries. And those cherries, they're good size. They're probably 3/4 of an inch or larger. They look like market cherries, but it's nothing you're going to want to make a cherry pie out of. It has very thin flesh. There's probably a 1/16 of an inch of flesh before you arrive at a very large hard seed. But the cherries are eaten by birds and other local insects. The plant itself is considered a large shrub. It can get almost tree-like. It could probably grow up to 15-20 feet. The ones that we're looking at here are probably about 10 feet high, sprawling. They planted in your yard. It's a plant that might take a couple of years to really get growing, but once it's established, it will put on growth at a good rate. Again, very attractive foliage. This is a chaparral plant that does not require and does not want tremendous amounts of water, particularly in the summer. It will benefit, of course, as almost all our native plants, from good winter and spring rains. But once it warms up, this is one of the plants that does not want a lot of summer water. So when you do come to the gardens, come by. If it's in the spring, look for those white flowers. In the summer, look for those red cherries.